welcome to Sugar Pottery. I'm Sigrid, I'm one of the workers here. This workshop was set up in 2000 by R.G. Stapleton. He is a son of a missionary who grew up here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil for pottery. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood para sa community. Pottery has three kinds. May earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware is slow-fired. That's the one they make in vegan, yung mga paso-paso, tsaka lutuan. Stoneware and porcelain are high-fired. Ang specialization namin stoneware, we fire 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, we get the clay, test it at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk, soak it in water, sasalain until it goes through for the mesh. Pag lumabas po doon, it's very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks. Ganito ang itsura niya. Hindi pupulutin doon at pwede na dito. Kailangan i-test at i-proseso kasi hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay. Hindi lahat ng clay ay pwede. Now, I'll show you the making of the pot with a demo fee of 200 for your group and 600 for your group. If somebody wants to try, it's paid individually at 100 per head. Okay? Sir, forward po kayo. Hindi nila makikita kasi dito. I will be leaning like this. Hindi nyo makita sa dito. Now, this is the demo. First, I have to center the clay. In order to center, you need the speed of the wheel and the pressure from the hands. Once it's centered, everything starts with a cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. My hands should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands, to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is a very basic shape from here. You can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. At this point, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it outwards to widen. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards to narrow down. Then outwards again at the top to make a flower vase. It can be narrowed down in here to enhance the shape if needed be. Makes it a little bit sexier. It can also be a water jug. If we put a spout like that. That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, do anything that will enhance the beauty. Then we dry it for 1 month, air dry only. Put it in the oven for 10 hours of firing, wait for it to cool down. We bring it out, then apply the glazes. The glaze gives the color and makes it shiny, but it doesn't come out upon application like paint. Kailangang iluto po ulit ng another 10 hours of glaze firing para po ma-finish siya. That's why they're safe for food containers. They're microwavable. The color doesn't fade. Now, who wants to try at 100 per head? Anyone? May mag-try po sa inyo? Sa inyo po? Kung walang mag-try, you're very welcome to look around. Please check our finished products down below. Thank you for coming and enjoy your stay in town. Thank you.